Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Cooper01 and today I just want to show you something funny. So usually when you switch on your PS5, it will let you know that there is a update available, system software update. But as you can see, nothing is showing under my downloads folder and I just switched on my console. However, just to double check that, you can go to your settings and then once you scroll down to system, you'll see it says there console information and just below that system software update and settings. And there you can clearly see it says update available. So I'm not sure why the system didn't pick it up automatically. However, once you click here, it should download automatically from the internet and then it will reboot. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes. As you can see, it's about a 1.2 gig. Luckily for me, I've got a 1 gig line, so it shouldn't take too long. That's 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And then once it's done, it's going to ask you to reboot the system. Always remember that you should not ever put in a new disk or take out a disk when you do a software update. Leave the controller as is, maybe just wait, and then once it's installed, it's gonna ask you to press the PS button again, and then you should be good to go. So let's do that quickly. It's installing. It's quite fast. Optimized for game settings. That's my TV that says that. There you can hear the console rebooted automatically. Don't have to do anything at this stage. And there you can hear it boots up again. It's a very quick process depending on your internet connection, obviously. Please wait. There it also gives you a warning not to put in any disks because it might corrupt the file. But yeah, that's it guys. I don't think I have to wait the whole time. I think you know now what to do. If there's any questions, any tips maybe that you can provide to me, you can gladly leave a comment in the comment section and I will definitely have a look at it. Have an awesome day guys. Thank you. Bye.